How to fix Telegram message doesn't exist problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do guys to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again like this, and then go back, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So after that, you need to scroll. Let's wait a few seconds more. Okay, let's wait. And now it will show us all the apps that we have on our phone. Scroll until you find the Telegram and then click on it like this. Now all what you want to do here is simple. First thing, click on this option and then click on notifications management. Now make sure to enable all the options right